Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to break down the concepts of displacement, velocity, acceleration, and equations of motion. These are key topics you'll need to master for your exams, and we'll explain everything in a simple way. So let's get started. First, let's talk about displacement. Its definition is, displacement is the vector quantity that refers to the change in position of an object. It is denoted by s. Its formula is s is equal to s final minus s initial. Its unit is meters. Next, we move on to velocity. The definition is, velocity is the rate at which an object changes its position. We denote it by v. Velocity has two types. Instantaneous velocity refers to the velocity of an object at a specific moment in time. It's the speed and direction of the object at that exact point. Average velocity is the total displacement, change in position, of an object divided by the total time taken. It gives a general idea of how fast the object moved over a period of time, without considering variations in speed during that time. We can find instantaneous velocity by differentiating displacement. Average velocity is the change in displacement upon the time taken to complete the journey. The unit of velocity is meters per second. I have uploaded the PDF of this formula sheet below in the description. After watching this video, you can download it from there. Next, we come to acceleration. We denote it by a. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. There are also two types of acceleration. Just like velocity, instantaneous acceleration and average acceleration. Its unit is meters per second squared. Now we come to the equations of motion. We use these equations only when acceleration is constant. If acceleration is not constant, then we will not use these equations. The first equation is v is equal to u plus a into t. Here, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is acceleration, and t is time. The second equation is s is equal to u into t plus half a into t squared. The third equation is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2 into a into s. In some special cases, we use g instead of a when the body is in free fall. Here, g means acceleration due to gravity, which has a value of 9.8 meters per second squared. All these formulas are in front of you. You can pause the video and note them down. So that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of displacement, velocity, acceleration, and the equations of motion. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into other chapters and also go through some previous year questions. If there's anything specific you want us to cover, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and keep learning. See you in the next one.